If you're experiencing an installation loop with Apex Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and disable the loop effectively. Step 1. Restart your computer. Begin by restarting your computer. This simple step can often resolve temporary issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Check for updates. Ensure that your operating system and the Origin or EA app are up to date. Open the app, go to Settings, and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the cache folder of the Origin or EA app. Delete the content of the cache folder to remove any corrupted files that may be causing the loop. Step 4. Repair game files. Open the Origin or EA app, go to your game library, right-click on Apex Legends, and select the option to repair the game. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 5. Reinstall Apex Legends. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Apex Legends. This will ensure that you have a fresh installation without any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the installation loop and enjoy playing Apex Legends. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.